Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SESN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I will say that from a presentation standpoint, this chart is a little tricky to talk about. Why do I say that? Well, there's a lot of perspective that goes into it, meaning if you're some sort of day trader, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. From the highs, there was a pretty big pullback here. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trading type perspective going into the trade. And to really illustrate this, and I'm by no means saying that the price is going to go and do this, but let's say that the price actually goes back down to $2.20. And actually, let me do this just to add a tad bit more context. Again, not saying this will happen, but just trying to do this to illustrate, just the power that the overall trend has in the bull's favor. So price comes down here to 220, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would that be giving you from the big picture point of view? Keyword being big picture. Well, that'd give you a set of lows right here. That'd give you a set of lows down there. That'd give you some lows right there. That'd give you some lows down there. And from the big picture, what do you have if you envision these as stair steps? Well, you would still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's just going to make progress as time goes by. Again, I'm well aware if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from a bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.